Alright everybody, back again. Got a box of 2012 SP Authentic, which has become my favorite thing to break. I've had a lot of luck with it lately. The Russell Wilson, Jerry Rice, John Elway autographs. See what else I can pull out of this. I bought a case of it, which is on its way, and I wouldn't mind getting a little Andrew Luck redemption card. But 24 packs, 5 cards a pack. All the bases rookies. And what else was I going to say? Sometimes you'll get a rookie threads pack on top. I think you get 3 per case, so 1 in 4 boxes. But let's try another box of this. Let's do the numbering. Looks like we have box 66. Some trouble getting into this one. Okay, no threads. That's fine. I'm not a huge fan of the threads design. Here we go. Base. Base. He's on the Chiefs now, Junior Hemingway. Cool, Marvin Jones Canvas Collection. Oh, that's awesome. Robert Griffin 94 SP. Looks like the corner got a little dinged, but 94 SP die cut. Awesome card. Greg Childs Canvas. Marvin Jones Gold. You get 1 gold rookie and 1 gold veteran. Cool. But no, he had 10 touchdowns this season. Solid. Coby Fleener. That's our patch auto. 2 colors out of 885. Not bad. This design's awesome to me. Such a good design. So there's the first hit, and it's Fleener. Kirk Cousins, 94 SP. Nice card. There's an RG3. Kuechly. Dan Heron. Autograph. Second hit. I think he got cut. I thought he was on the Bengals practice squad or something. Brandon Weeden, 94 SP. Blackman, 94 SP. So that was my hit. I was like, no, not a Cordy Glenn hit. No offensive guard hit. That card's dinged up bad. That Cousins card. There's a Russell. Cool. Aaron Rodgers gold. Awesome looking card. These aren't numbered. I don't know what they're printed out of. They're probably about 500 if I had to guess. Tim Benford. It's an Alfred Morris card. One hit. Here it is. Another Melvin Ingram. I cannot stop pulling this card. Or just him in general. I think I've pulled 5 autos of him in SP Authentic somehow. It's not the worst player you can pull, but I'd just rather have somebody I haven't pulled yet. Cool card. Canvas, Keyshawn Martin. And a Devier Posey, 94 SP, will end the box. Pretty average box to below. Let's do a quick recap though. The Melvin Ingram signed at times autograph, not numbered. Dan Heron, just an on-card autograph, not numbered. And Kobe Fleener, patch auto to 885. Nice looking card. So overall, decent box. That's it for this break, guys. Thanks.